we gotta make our own trail. Have all these knocked down trees everywhere. It's a beautiful morning. Hoping to catch at least one or two. I didn't even know about this place. Well, I knew about the place because I came here fishing a long time ago, but I didn't know you could fish all the way back here. So somebody told me. There we go. We'll go through here. Oh. I know people wade the river here all the time. I don't do that, but I'm thinking I might start doing that too. Let's see if there's one around here somewhere. I got one, guys. I knew the hugger might will come in handy. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. I just let the current take it. Look at this little bad boy right there. This little creek, guys. I love this. Let's see if we catch some more. Alright, guys, so let this bad boy go. Beautiful little smallmouth. Wrong way, buddy. Wrong way, bud. There you go. Back to this little hole over there. I came here with my buddy the other day and he was just being a little bit too loud. I was gonna come yesterday, but your boy wanted to go catfishing for the last 2 days and we got skunked for 2 straight days. I mean, for the whole day yesterday. 2 days. What am I talking about this morning? Guys, look how beautiful this looks. All this stuff. Not only this, but like we're out here in the middle of nowhere, really. I'm like, who would have known this stuff is out here? I'm like, I'm gonna fish more often these spots than I used to. So that being said, guys, we're gonna go probably to the original spot where we started, and then we're probably gonna hit up another little creek and see if we catch another one, because I said an hour. It's been past an hour, so gotta just give us another hour or two. I got another one, guys. Recording, yeah. Oh, this is a good one. scope that. Another. I knew we came back to this spot, we can catch another one, because sometimes they'll move out after you catch one. But look at the size of that one, this little creek bass. Shh, beautiful. All right, guys, one last look. Look at that. Oh my God. Let him go. Goes back to his little cubby hole over there. I like this walleye rod, guys. It's super sensitive. I don't even think I talked about it yet, but well, I'll show you in a little bit. Another one, guys. Oh, there's not another one. It's just a stick. Felt like another one. This piece of metal, fencing metal. Oh, that might have messed up the spot. I don't know. Just let the current take the helger mark. Just hit, bounce it here and there, and keep rolling it. There's this dead tree that fell. I'll see if I can move it to the side real quick. See if it's not too heavy. Oh, it is heavy. Never mind. But it fell right there. Well, I tried, guys. I tried. But I'm not strong enough by myself. If I had my chains, I would definitely do it. Oh well. See if we can catch some fish down here. I could have probably did it, but I'm gonna pull my back. That's probably why nobody's down here. Everybody looking at me crazy. Alright, this little spot does look kind of decent. I'm gonna give it a couple casts. Then we're gonna go to the motherland. Is this even legal on the Kishwaukee River? That can't be legal, guys. That cannot be legal. Alright guys, so we're done fishing. Only able to catch 2 today. I ran out of time. I told my wife 1 hour, so almost 3 hours, so with 2 fish, so we're calling it. Anyways, let's talk about my rod that I was using today. This is a walleye rod, a Prego rod from Bass Pro Shop. I'm assuming they revamped the new, these are like the new edition ones. This one is let me see here. It's a medium light fast action. I like that fast action tip. It's been helping me too with the smallmouth because it has a great backbone to it. Anyways, I got this one last Black Friday, guys. I got it back on Black Friday in November. The rod is $100, $99, 100 pretty much. The reel, it's a Fluger President. It's 6:1 to 2 gear ratio. Nothing too crazy there. I used braided line. I used 10-pound Suffix braided line. You could get by if you want to put a leader. You could go ahead and put a leader. but I'm not putting the leader because this line is pretty thin. The fish don't even see it, guys. Now if it was a little bit thicker, then I probably would put a leader, but I'm just using my regular Hellgrammite on the lightest jig head that you guys could have, the lightest net head. I don't know which one is this. It's one that I made a while back. I just can't remember the size. Anyways, guys, yeah, this is what I've been using. I have nothing bad to say about it right now, guys. I'm like, it's been a phenomenal rod. The times that I used and it caught me fish, I'm like, it's very strong, very ultra sensitive. I'm like, if you're looking for a walleye rod or any smallmouth rod that's very sensitive, I highly recommend this rod, guys. This is a 7-foot. I'm like, they're 6.6s. There's, name it, guys. They have them for everyone. They even have the bait casting ones if you're looking for bait casting ones. But I really recommend this rod if you're looking for something from the bank, fishing from the bank. Somebody that want to get into walleye fishing that you want to give as a gift, this would be the perfect setup, guys. This is a under $150 setup, guys, and it's been helping me catch fish today. Like, I used it at that other creek. Phenomenal. I could feel every single little detail on the ground. I could feel when there's a stick. I could feel when there's a gravel ground. I'm like, I could literally feel every single tick, and obviously that is too because of the braid. But the rod is very sensitive, guys. So yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode, guys. Hopefully you guys consider subscribing. I wanted to catch more fish, and I know I could catch more fish if I stay longer, but I got things to do today, guys. I'm going to the casino with my wife. We're gonna go watch professional boxing, so I'm excited for that. And I told her I was only gonna fish for an hour, and guess what? It's almost 2-3 hours later. So with that being said, guys, I will catch you guys on the next one, and make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss that upload, guys, and I will catch you guys next time on the water.